Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you the automatic posting or bulk posting. This is what I do because I love it. It's so thrilling. And there are other tools available. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to do this using HydraLister. So we are going to queue 200 eBay listings in this video. And this video is less than 4 minutes long. Think about the potential there. You can almost completely eliminate your time spent listing items and focus on other parts of your business if that's something you're interested in. Woo! All right. So I'm not going to talk in this video about how to make lists of items. I'm going to show you how to post lists of items and how you can use a tool like Hydra to post 200 items in a couple minutes. It's insane, right? All right, so here we have a list of 200 items from Walmart. This is just 200 different URLs, right? I could copy one of these and then go to a Google Chrome tab and then go to it, and it's going to be one item on eBay. Look at that. See? One item. So what I need to do first, we understand that all of these items are items that have It's a link to one specific item, right? So before we add it to Hydra, what we need to do is select everything and add a small thing to the end of each line. And this is going to optimize SKU Grid when our items get imported. And what we're typing is hashtag SKU opt : Walmart. And that just means that whenever SKU Grid looks at the item to reprice it, they're not going to put in any repricing from a marketplace seller. But you guys don't really need to know too much about that. Now we're just copying this list. Then we're going over here, and this is the moment, guys. Watch this. Paste, launch. That's it. Do you guys see the power there? We just queued 200 items. And granted, not every single one of these got posted, but think about the time spent there. How long has this video been? And this video just created up to 202 listings. Wow. All right, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.